Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on linear independence or dependence. Let us see the problem. Check whether following vectors are linear independent or dependent. So what they are given? They are given two vectors. What is that? For a problem 1, v1 is equal to 2 1, v2 is equal to 3 2. What is the condition for linear independence if two vectors are given? c1 v1 plus c2 v2 must be 0 if and only if C1 is equal to C2 is equal to 0. This is the condition for linear independence. Let us see. What is C1? C1 is constant. V1 is 2 1 plus C2. V2 is 3 2. That must be equal to 0. If you simplify, what will happen? 2C1 plus 3C2 equal to 0. And 1C1 plus 2C2 equal to 0. Right? Okay, now let us simplify this equation. 2C1 plus 3C2 equal to 0. I multiply second equation by 2 and subtract. So 2C1 plus 4C2 equal to 0. What will happen? It will be giving minus C2 equal to 0. So C2 is equal to 0. Right? C2 0 means substitute here. C2 0 means C1 is also 0. So C1 is also 0. So C1 equal to C2 is equal to 0. So when C1 is equal to C2 is equal to 0, that is the condition for when you substitute C1 0, this will become 0, C2 0, this will become 0. So the equation is valid, right? Because C1 V1 C2 V2 0, for C1 is equal to C2 is equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied. So these two vectors are linearly independent. Therefore, V1 and V2 are linearly independent vectors. Right? So this is a very simple problem. Now we go to second problem. What is the second problem? Here V1 is what do you call? V1 is 1 2, V2 is 2 4. So V1 is 1 2, V2 is 2 4. So what will happen to V1 V2? Well, what is the condition for linear independence? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 is equal to 0 if and only if C1 is equal to C2 is equal to 0. C1 is a constant 1 2 plus C2 2 4 is equal to 0. So if you simplify, what will happen? C1 plus 2C2 equal to 0. 2C1 plus 4C2 equal to 0. What will happen if you simplify? C1 plus 2C2 0. Here 2 is common, take it outside and divide it. So again C1 plus 2C2 equal to 0. Right? So this indicates C1 is equal to minus 2C2. Right? So they are not equal to 0. From this two equation, what we understand is C1 is equal to minus 2C2. That means C1 equal to C2 is not equal to 0. So they are linearly dependent. Therefore, V1 and V2 are linearly dependent. Right? So this is very important problem. See, from the question itself we will understand V1 is equal to 1 2, V2 is equal to 2 4. So V2 is twice the V1. Yes or no? So they are dependent vectors. So from this we can conclude that for two vectors we can say that whether it is linearly dependent or independent by seeing the vector itself. But for four vectors or five vectors, then we have to use the formula like this, right? And I have to solve the problem. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.